How to change your email address on Temu. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to web browser or the application. In the search bar, search for temu.com. It will land you on the official page of Temu. Make sure you are logged into your Temu account. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile at the top right corner and then head over to Settings. Move into Account Security at the top. And then here you will find your email address. Tap on Edit right here. Enter the new email address that you want to change. And then tap on Continue. Now you will receive one code on your email address. You need to copy that code and enter it right here. There you go, your email address has been successfully changed. Now tap on Continue Shopping. So this is it, and this was a tutorial video on how to change email address on Temu. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.